In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use virtual backgrounds in Zoom. This is a fantastic way to customize your meetings, hide a messy room, or just have a little fun with your call. So, let's dive right in and make sure you can make the most of this feature in just a few simple steps. To get started with virtual backgrounds, you first need to access the Zoom desktop app. It's essential to make sure you have the latest version downloaded to avoid any potential hiccups. Once you have Zoom open, you'll need to enter a meeting, whether that's creating a new one or joining an existing call. Either way is fine, as long as you're in a Zoom meeting where the video is enabled. Now, during your meeting, take a look towards the bottom left of the Zoom window. You should see an icon that looks like a little up arrow right next to the Stop Video button. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This will open a drop-down menu that provides several video settings options. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Adjust Background and Effects. This is where the magic happens. Once you've clicked on Adjust Background and Effects, you'll see a new window or panel pop up. In this area, Zoom offers a few default virtual backgrounds for you to choose from. They range from simple office setups to more creative scenes that can add a splash of color or fun to your meeting. If one of these preloaded options catches your eye, feel free to select it and see how it looks. However, suppose you have a specific image you'd like to use that isn't listed in the defaults. In that case, you can easily upload your own image. Look for the option within the panel to add a new background. It's typically listed as an upload button or an option icon with a plus sign icon. Clicking this button lets you navigate through your files and find an image you've chosen beforehand. It's a great opportunity to personalize your background even further, whether it's your company's logo or a scenic photo you love. Once you've selected or uploaded your new background, take a moment to ensure it works seamlessly. The virtual background should cover the video feed behind you without cutting out your face or important features. If you find it's not quite right, you can always revisit the background settings and tweak your choice. After you are satisfied with how everything looks, you can close the settings window. Your Zoom app will retain these settings for your future calls, making your next meeting setup even quicker. And there you have it, a simple, quick way to enhance your Zoom experience with virtual backgrounds. Remember, these backgrounds can contribute to your meeting's atmosphere, so choose one that fits the occasion. Whether you're getting creative or keeping it professional, now you have the know-how to make an impression. Enjoy your next Zoom meeting with a touch of personalization.